Okay, so I've got the Pocket 3 and I was trying to see which settings were the best for nighttime. We're going to Vegas soon and I want to do some night shots. But this is with a D-Log on the color and I don't like the way it's hazy. This is about 9 o'clock at night. The rest of the videos are like 9:30 where it's much darker. But come to find out, the best settings are the factory settings because this is not what I wanted. This kind of, it's too much, it's hazy. I'm not sure how to explain it, but you'll see in the other videos how much clearer or brighter the colors are, like this one. Okay, this is at 4K 60 frames per second, and yeah, looks better. I like the color better. Actually, that's a pretty good setting right there. But everything else is factory settings. It's 4K at 60. I might stick with that. But it changes as we go along here, you'll see. All right, here I went with 24 because they told me, oh yeah, go to 24 FPS, that's gonna be nice. Well, look at all the grain. And the reflection there is because I was going through a window and what you're seeing is my clock in the bedroom, that red clock. Anyway, yeah, this is too much grain at 24 frames per second. All right, so the next one is 1080K at 30. And that's pretty clear through the window, okay? I didn't get outside. I was kind of just looking to see what it would do. And I'm sure this is after another reset. The reason I reset it is because sometimes I change things I forgot I did. So anyway, so that went to 1080 60 again through the window. I should have went outside. That's the problem with that video and some others. Okay, so here we go at 1080 50. I was just seeing what it would do. 50 didn't change much, and then I think I went to 45 or something like that. I'll see. No, yeah, 48. 1080 at 48. And like I said, I should have went outside and got a closer look. Because from far away like that, it really doesn't show it. This is my backyard. 2.7 at 48, okay? Again, it looks the same to me on a small screen. I don't know how it would look on TV. All right, so I went to 2.7 at 30 frames per second through the window. Again, I should have went outside. And you'll see as we go along here, there's more videos and I do go outside. Okay, this is setting the EV, whatever that is, at 3.0 because I was told to try that. And yeah, it didn't change much. Didn't change anything. So another factory reset, okay? 1080 at 30. This is all factory reset, all right? Looks good. And I think I'm going to keep it there. And that's the conclusion I came to, is just leave it as is. Because Las Vegas is going to be pretty bright. And I think the camera can handle its own settings. Okay. And then what I did is I took my phone out there and I tried my phone. So you'll see that in a second. This is still the camera, DJI. All right, so this is the Samsung. I shouldn't have moved so much, but there's a lot of grain. See the grain? Yeah. So the Samsung didn't do that much better. This is 4K at 30. You look around and you can see, yeah, it's okay, but it's not as nice as the DJI did. The DJI Pocket 3 did a better job. See all the grain there on the left? Again, my backyard. I'm using that as an example because it's pretty dark except for the spotlight, which is a solar light. Then I tried one last setting, which was the 8K at 30. And I don't know, okay, I'm seeing different things here on my screen. Hopefully, when you watch it, it'll be fine. But again, it's too grainy. Yeah. Anyway, hope this helped. If you're looking to change settings, I wouldn't. I would just leave it as is. And there's a lots of videos out there on YouTube that can help you set your camera, but I believe the camera settings or when you reset it, it's just fine to do what you need to do. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell. Don't forget to, if you have any comments, feel free to ask. I hope this helped with your camera. I know I'm happy with this camera as is.